Gold started the week on a slight bearish note. Yes, it has closed the preceding week at bottom and it has continued the bearishness here. Now, in fact, it has reached below 2150 levels, which was the critical support. So, what to expect today from gold? Can we expect this drop to continue? Can we expect it to trade bearish? And if yes, how far and where you can enter and how you can profit? And if it is willing to reverse, where you can buy? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. The subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications or join the free Telegram channel for live updates. You can also like, share, and comment. It's always a great motivation, and join the YouTube channel memberships to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into hourly charts. On the hourly charts, yes, it is trading bearish, but if you look at the pattern, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, and it could retrace. How far it could retrace? Where is the resistance? 2154, 57 is the zone you should watch out. Look at the crossover in the moving averages. See, 50 and 100 also crossed over now. It is certainly signs of bearishness, and this complete zone between 2157 to 2163, 2164 is going to be a good resistance zone. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold here. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is also trading oversold. Coming to 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts, two straight bearish candles. And yes, even if you see gold staying below 2144, now we can initiate a selling entry for the third bearish candle in making towards 2140.38 as the first support levels. But right now, if you look at, yes, moving averages, they've crossed over here as well, and this is trying to trade bearish as well. But a retracement cannot be denied, and that could be the highs of the channel, could be an ideal entry point for you to sell again. That is one possibility you should not avoid or ignore. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is also hitting the oversold levels here. Likewise, on the 3 hour charts, similar observation, nothing different. Also on the 3 hour charts, one must look at the near term formation. You will find gold has been trading in this, and this is a largely nice flag formation. And one should remember that any point of time now, gold staying above 2180-85 zone will be a confirmation of a stronger rally further. Be watchful of this. Right now it is forming a nice flag formation. Yes, this is trying to retrace here, and that is where a reversal cannot be denied, because see, this flag formation is coming after a stronger rise. If you look at the stochastic, this is hitting oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI is hitting the bottom as well. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts: rise, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, and it could retrace. And that is where, in fact, as I said, 2160-65 zone, rather I will say 2162.5, so 2163 should be a very good resistance. And then if it breaks beyond 2165 is where slight further bullishness will see. Stochastic is oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI is looking downwards. Coming to daily charts, and before we look into daily charts and I share the strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. The Telegram and email IDs to reach out and connect are available in the channel and video description. And if not, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment as well, friends. Many of you have also asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, with global presence. Transactions are easier there, and yes, which offers a SWIFT-free and account with lowest spreads. If you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads. You can click on the link in the channel and video description and join and enjoy trading. Now, coming to the daily chart. First of all, on the daily charts, look at the preceding candle. It is closed at the bottom here, and today it has resumed its downward journey here. It has continued from where it has left and looking downwards as of now. Now, only reversal confirmation is, again, we have to wait for gold to fall back within this higher lows. It means it is very, very important for gold now to break beyond 2157 and 60 zone. Yes, we can initiate a buying entry at 2150, but then 2157 it needs to break, then 2160, 63 zone it needs to break. So in sum, it is going to get maximum stronger resistance in between 2157 63 zone. And if it stays above this, I will look forward to 2172.5, 2175 as the next targets, and beyond this it will turn bullish. Right now it appears we are going to see slight bearish. Thus 2154, 57, though it is a buying point, but with little caution. Those who want to risk a little more can take a sell and trade there as well, where it could try to reverse. So be watchful of this. A reversal cannot be denied. On the downside, a safer sell entry is at 2150 44 levels, where you can expect gold to move towards 2140 as the first target, and 2140-38 levels. If it breaches, I will be looking forward to 2132, 2128 zone, the next support levels, below which a sharper drop will take it till towards 2120, if not today, possibly some point of time too. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your comments and queries related to the services. Do watch the next update before the US session. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.